Whenever it comes to electronics, you always need a so-called relay to control these AC loads. But what are these relays and how do they work? So in this video, I will be talking about relays and I will be showing how you can use them with your Arduino board to turn on and off the AC loads. This is the 2-channel relay module which you can easily buy from a nearby store or check out the link in the description for buying a 2-channel relay module and many other electronic components. So first, let's clear what is relay. It is basically a electromagnetic switch which gets turned on by a applied voltage to the pins provided by to it on the board. Its function is same as like a normal switch to turn on and off the circuit like this. Okay, now let's talk about this 2-channel relay module. This relay module has got two optocouplers to provide a optical isolation from the output voltage. The ratings of this module are 250 volts AC at 10 amps and 30 volts DC at 10 amps. So if your load is bigger than the rating power of this relay module, then it is pretty sure that your relay will get damaged and less chances for your Arduino board to get damaged due to the optical isolation provided by this optocoupler. And else you get two indication LEDs to check the status of the relay, that is which relay is turned on and which relay is turned off. Okay, now let's connect this module with the Arduino and let's do some programming to control this relay board. Coming to the circuit diagram, connect this ground pin on the relay board to the Arduino board and IN1, that is relay 1 pin, to the any of the digital pin on the Arduino, and VCC to the 5 volts pin on the Arduino. And if you want to use this second relay, then connect this IN2, that is relay 2 pin, on the any of the digital pin on the Arduino. Be careful while working with the AC supply. As I told, this relay acts like a switch, so take a live wire or a main wire, insert it into a common point of the relay and take another wire and hook up it from a normally open point of the relay to the LED bulb. And keep in mind that do not interface neutral wire with any of the contact with the relay, because it will create a short circuit and which can lead to fatal injuries. Okay, now let's see how to program the Arduino board to blink this LED bulb with the help of relay. The code for relay blink is same as that we use for LED blink. If you don't know how to use LED with Arduino, then check the link for the Arduino basic tutorial in the video description box. The first thing I have declared it as the relay has been connected to digital pin 2 of the Arduino, and in the void setup I have made it as output. And in the void loop, by giving a commands digital write and delay, I have made a relay high for 1 second and after that low for 1 second, and this loop will run continuously and it will blink the relay, that is the LED bulb which is connected to relay. It will blink for 1 second. Now upload your code for on your Arduino board and check the output. After uploading the code, as you can see, the LED bulb is blinking with the help of relay, and you can hear the sound of relay. It indicates that relay is working perfectly. As always, you will find the link for the code and the circuit in the video description. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so you get notified, and do follow me up on my Instagram page, Pranith eLearnings. Stay tuned, stay creative.